Guys, we bought the YakGear ambush hunting blind. It says that it fits kayaks and canoes 12 to 14 foot long and built of ripstop material. Let's get this thing opened up and see what it looks like.
All right. Well, open it up.
Right out of the box here, guys, these white rods, they're for supports for the door. Unfortunately, they didn't fit, and we had to modify them, trim a little bit off of them to get them to fit inside the Velcro properly. Just one of many modifications to come. Comes with a nice carrying case here. Unfortunately, once you get this thing grassed in, no way it fits back in that bag. I threw the bag in my truck and used it to hold straps and whatnot.
So, let's get this bad boy unboxed. It's not too heavy, which is good. It's like, oh, okay. These here, these look like the doors. So I got a couple of flaps. All right, let's stretch it out here and see what she looks like. Smooth it out of the way. Looks like this is probably going to be the front. And this the back. Maybe, maybe not. Anyways, that looks like the back. Woo, so far so good. It's looking good. Oh man, look at that. Y'all, look at that. I wonder if this will go. I don't know if we should put that all the way just yet. Let's see how it fits. Kind of dry fit at first. I bet you. All right, I bet you what these are straps to go underneath it. Clamps here to clamp it tighter. Yep. Pull that. See what I did there? Just kind of tuck that, pull it a little bit. I would definitely make sure that these are tied just in case you pull it too much. It don't pull it through. But I don't know. Let's do that. Let's take this. I guess what we can do is tighten these up, probably as tight as we want to. I think we'll leave that right there. See how everything lines up. That's up pretty tight. Okay. Throw that to the other side. Throw that to the other side. Aha. A little hook here. See?
So guys, this strap here actually is on the front once I spun it, but as you can tell, I messed with this thing a few times here. It was installed backwards at the factory or wherever they have these things made at. I ultimately ended up taking it off, spin it around and reattaching it the correct way. That way it works the way it's supposed to. This one was installed correctly out of the box.
Probably don't want them too tight. Yeah, maybe not as tight as I had it. My son's sword. All right. I guess these probably are for a smaller kayak, say the 12-footer, because this one being 14 foot, I think it fits on there pretty good for the initial dry fitting here. Of course, I have to make sure, see how it looks with my lights and everything in it. And that doesn't give you a whole lot of room right there. Normally the back of my seat was set right there. So, seat goes down in those grooves. I think that would probably work.
So out of the box, guys, this thing, it fit my Jackson big tuna fairly good. There was a lot of excess. I also ended up adding a middle strap buckle to help hold it tight. I built a frame, as you can see in these pictures here. We kind of customized this particular blind to this kayak. There's a lot of other things that we had to adjust to it as well out of the box, but out of the box, I guess you could hunt it. I hunted it and it worked. It was flat, had no depth. By adding the frame and everything to it, it definitely helped that situation. Guys, if you like these videos and you'd like to see step by step how we built this particular blind, please subscribe to the page JKS Outdoors Foulbird Productions. Give us a thumbs up, drop us a comment below if you've got a better idea, if you've done something differently, or if you'd like to know something how we've done it. Also hit that notifications button, that way you know when a new video is uploaded. I try to get one done per week over the next several weeks on this particular blind. I've got some other blinds that we built. We just need to get this footage together and share it with you. Guys, look forward to seeing you out there in the marsh. Stay safe and God bless.